I can't read this because my phone keeps on shutting off and I can't do a thing right now. Because I gotta keep on tapping or my phone will just like shut down. Let's skip this ad in 3, 2, 1, poof! Okay. Well, I just got something now because of that. Let's clean up these disgusting trash. Okay, getting that. Ooh, who's this? Can I learn cooking here? Your request is a bit unusual. We need some time to get ready. Come back tomorrow. He would... Oh, I got a skunk here now. Cool. We got something done. Anything done here? Nope. Ooh. Oh, this skunk took away all my customers. Okay, we gotta watch out for the skunk. What's this? Oh, no. Ooh, the deer really liked his food. By the way, I'm done with the swears in the TikTok videos. Now you can look at the videos and there will not be any more bad words, okay? That was just my first TikTok videos, phases, things, I don't know. Oh. This place is doing good. Make sure the skunk doesn't ruin anything. So where's that guy? Where's the skunk? I know you're gonna come. Thank you, employees, for working so hard, and by that I mean like doing nothing besides cleaning the kitchen and making the food go faster. Never mind, you're doing a good job. Okay. Let's get this. Let's get something for that kitchen. Let's get this. There you go. Now we got some money. Okay, we can definitely buy some more staff. Let's give you a raise. Give you a raise. Give you a raise. Let's buy you, since we didn't get you last time. And let's get this guy. We need 5,000 more. Let's just keep on working. I'm gonna get 5,000 in no time. Please, Spotted Deer, give me like a bunch of money. Aw. Someone give me like a whole stack or something. Oh, thank you. I know you want your chalky milks. I did the shoe thing on accident, well, no, on purpose. And boom, last flyer. Come on, the game's lagging out. I'm tapping things, but it won't work. Well, sometimes. That's a lot of customers. Oh, any skunks here trying to ruin my business? Oh, I think I got enough. I just looked at my money. Woo! Let's get the most expensive stash, the Lucky Cashier. It boosts the movement, increases the rating by 30, ooh, just enough to get 300, and collects cod everywhere. Oh, this one thing, it like takes all the cod from me, so I don't have to pick it up. Nice! Thank you. I'm giving you a raise as much as possible, Lucky Cat. So I can just let you guys pick up all my cod, and yeah, so... Okay, so everybody now moves quicker. Well, a little bit quicker. Best bunches of my money spent. We got Chef Secret. What do we gotta do? Tap the flyer to bring in 16 more customers. Okay. Oh, the fluffy cat's... Well, the fluffy dog is bringing in more customers. More customers. I got 16 out of 16. Great. Whoa, I got a lot done. What do I need to do? How can a kitchen be without a trash can? Use a cheap stump bin for now. Okay, buying that stump bin. Okay, lame. Lenny, I like your free hand. Oh. Let me turn on something. I like your freehand scribbles. Let's go hang them up on the wall as a decoration. Okay, hang it up. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna buy one more stove. There we go. It's stuffy in the kitchen. Let's add a small window. Okay. I bought us or a neighbor her door plate. Let's make the thing on it. Simple shelf. Wait. What's this? We gotta do stuff. 1 second. Okay, still 15%, good. My phone always is low, like always. Ooh, are you leaving me a tip? No. Let's hope the rich kid comes in soon. Okay, I know I haven't talked in a while, but I'm just so focused on this game. Also, I'm a little tired because yeah, I'm just a little tired. No reason. Let's see your tasks. I'm not earning a lot of stuff. Ooh. How many customers is gonna bring? So we can buy this. Nice. Everything's looking good. Ooh, recipes. Increase price. Let's get some strawberry pancakes. Ooh, this dish. Ooh, this looks good. Oh, cappuccino. Ooh, blueberry pancake. Oh, we need a better star rating. What about this? Aw, okay. Let's just get this then. Earn as much as possible. We're short some cod. Back to the recipes. Get the curry. And get some roasted shrimp. Oh, we need some more. Well, now we got a bunch more stuff that everybody can ask for. Make it a new customer. Ooh, we got a grizzly bear. Did we already get that or no? Oh yeah, scared bear. There's a faint scar on his belly. Ooh, do you see that? He always looks down. He's picky. Rating must reach 220 to be able to see him. Animal from the village can only be attracted by radio promo or higher than promo method. Okay. Your fish is good. Can I come often? Yeah, you can. In fact, come all the time. No. Yeah, get away. Ooh. Timmy, you found something to do? Oh, he likes going near the oven. Ooh. This is okay. Oh, we need to get a fridge. That's ridiculous to not have a kitchen without a fridge. Restaurant garden. Ooh, we can get takeout? Okay, let's get this. Oh, we need more. God, I wasn't paying attention to the price. Ooh, takeout right here. I'm gonna take you out. Oh, we don't have that stuff? What did you want? 1 second. I believe he wanted this. He wanted the ramen. Everybody, we gotta make ramen. Okay. Ooh, we can buy that if we get enough money. No, let's buy this in the next episode. I'm gonna be working like after this episode still. By the way, speaking of next episode, see you guys in the next one. As soon as I get like 10,000, and come on, when I get 10,000, we're going. Please, oh yes, you got something that we have. You want something that we have? No, we don't have that. Oh, he wanted the steak thing. Anyways, that's all for today. So, come on, give me enough money to end this video. Come on, I know you got that monies. Yeah, okay. Peace.